everyone knows that Victor lathes are really, really reliable around the world, and this one is no different. This is a V-Turn 26 HD. It's one of their most popular selling machines. It's available for sale here from stock at GM CNC. It's a box guideway machine. It's got a 45-degree one-piece casting on the bed of this machine, and those guideways there, they're hardened up to HRC 55, which is really good for industry when you're looking at hard metals, when you're looking at heavy cuts. There's also a 40mm diameter ball screw on the Z-axis, which I found out, which really just helps with that as well. Now the turret on this machine, it is a 10-station turret, but it is a BMT turret, so it's you bolt your tools to this turret. Again, lends itself to those stable working conditions. The tailstock on this machine is actually a programmable tailstock. You've obviously got the quill on there too to support those components. And the fact that this machine, this HD machine, has a longer bed length, it's over 1 metre when it comes to the capacity for turning here. That's pretty, well, most turning centres are quite a bit smaller than that. So if you need that extended bed length, then this machine is for sale and can offer you that. 75mm bar capacity. The machine that's here in stock, it's this one, and it comes with everything that you see. It comes with the tool setter, the parts catcher, the parts bin, the swarf conveyor, and of course this FANUC control, which is on an arm here, so you can get into the machine as an operator and set the machine very easily. All available from stock, GM CNC. Find out more, contact them via their website.